my Streamlabs wasn't working. Nothing was working for like a good 10 minutes. Don't know why. Quick overview. Let's get this going. High time frame. Inverse the daily gap that we had yesterday. We inverse this 4-hour gap right here as well. Just respecting this entire leg right now. Taking out all the liquidity levels that we had previously mapped out. So right now we are a bit in a dilemma as if, you know, are we going to expand, continue to the upside, or are we going to continue respecting 4-hour bearish gaps? Because this, at the end of the day, is a BPR. Boom, 4-hour BPR here. We are respecting this 4-hour gap. Line with London high. We have midnight level there as well. So we are looking for like a 15-minute entry. 5-minute entry-ish. Right now there is SMT in the 15 minute. Definitely going to be one on the 5-minute as well with the FVG. But right now we do have an SMT with Asia lows as NQ did just sweep it right now. I am bearish. I do think we're going to take out PM low from yesterday and these quad relative lows from last Friday. We have previous week here. We still have to fill in this entire weekly gap all the way down here, which we have not done. So I do think we're going to sweep at this level again. I do think we're going to sweep this because at the end of the day, this was last Friday. I think it was tariff news. At the end of the day, this is like a data wick low. But it was a really strong fucking closure. But this is data wick low. Essentially. But we have a huge gap still that we need to fill. That's the most important part right now. This gap has not been filled completely yet, and I do think we're gonna fill it. Hopefully we can fill it in today and tomorrow. We fill it, we sweep this, sweep that data wick low, and then from there we deliver higher. And then we go to ATH, but like we failed ATH here. Don't know why. We were literally like fucking 2 points away. Made no sense to me, but whatever. Right now it's just a patient game. See what the market gives us, but we are respecting this 4-hour. Most that we'll probably get is maybe a sweep of that London high or a tap of that midnight level. Maybe if we tap this midnight level, we could just continue. What's in line with the midnight level? Right now there's an hourly gap here, and that's keeping us a bit bullish. So we do have an SMT within an hourly gap, so we could go for longs. Longs wouldn't make sense though because we're delivering from this 4-hour right now. Create a higher low on the 4-hour and hour, so it wouldn't make sense. This tap in this 1 hour, maybe I want to see like a more of a tap. See this 15-minute? Yeah, there's a 15-minute right there. Like you see right here, this SMT really strong with this 15-minute. Could see just potential downside movement. Let me see what PJ got to say. But I am pretty bearish. Just a signal.
The chip company. So, moving forward.
Let's see what he got to say.
Yesterday's sell-off. Beautiful, beautiful sell-off towards a bunch of sell-side liquidity to the downside.
Yes.
New York AM low, old New York AM low.
We do have
External low,
SMT with this PM low.
and then even deeper than that.
SMT.
Okay? This
SMT.
market has now
So.
pulled back, right? What looks like a 310-point pullback into a sell-side imbalance, buy-side inefficiency on the 4-hour now. Okay? Now, for me, I am looking to seek lower. Still, until that gap goes inverse to the upside, we should probably not be looking for a long yet. What I'm seeing is
Swept this Asia. This Asia did not be respected,
Now,
first of all.
on top of that,
There's a 15-minute gap right there on ES. That's holding us up.
there's a daily FEG here that's gone inverse. Okay? Daily FEG has gone inverse over here. It's this blue, it's this baby blue
Yeah.
daily.
Daily FEG. Everything got
Has gone
disrespected.
inverse. Right? And what we're seeing is price has pulled back almost right into consequent encroachment of that inversion. Look at that. To almost a tick with extreme accuracy. So we go inverse, we pull back in, and now look what we're doing. We're starting to look like we want to seek lower. So daily time frames telling me that there's some bearish order flow that we need to respect. 4 hours also telling me bearish order flow is being
Again, I want to see this 15-minute.
1 hour is
I want
telling
to see
me
this
that the
15-minute get
bearish
tapped.
order flow is being respected. 15-minute is also doing the same thing. Now, I've got a lot of confluence here with bears in control. Okay? So what I'm looking for here today is actually pretty simple. I'd like to see the market take these Asia lows, pop back up into London potentially, right? And then look for a possible V-shaped recovery out of London, which would be, I mean, if we went up into this BPR here, like we're gonna be paying attention to that, right?
Yeah, the 4-hour
That
BPR.
BPR there would be sweep in London, tap that BPR, reversal, bada bing, bada boom. Now, on the flip side, if it flips this gap to the upside here, right? We'd be actually looking for targets to London high, Asia high, and all-time highs again. So, let's see.
I think it's textbook bearish. I'm gonna tap this hourly again right now, and the 15-minute gap. Hopefully, we tap the 15-minute gap.
Money for the last 2 days or 3 days of trading. So we'll be very selective the next 2 days. It's kind of like how I trade. I like to be a little bit more aggressive earlier in the week or midweek, and then by the time we get to Thursday, Friday, it's more like relax.
All right, we're
Let the market come to us. We don't
2 minutes.
about looking to get ahead on the week anymore, right? We're chilling. We're in our weak spot.
2 minutes. I got a noti for.
So right now we've got a little Asia low getting swept here. ES has not swept the Asia low, so we've got a little bit of a bullish SMT, which is actually good. Let these bulls pick this market back up to London, and then we can possibly maybe look for some sort of V-shaped recovery from London for lower. Now, if that doesn't happen, we have to react, and we have to start looking for possible longs again. That's what we do every single day, right? I'm not going to sit here and predict anything. We're just going to react to what price gives us out of our liquidity pools, and that's how we trade. That's how we're able to go on a 22-week win streak, which should be turning into a 23-week win streak with how far ahead we are this week already.
Okay, tap that gap. Tap the 15-minute.
Yesterday were pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, you want to know what happened to me on the way home? You guys want to know what happened to me on the way home? Got pulled over.
30 seconds.
I was coming around the bend on this highway, bro, and it's like a speed trap. Goes from like, goes from like 60 something to like 45. And I'm coming around the corner, and it's like, it's a downward hill, bro. You can literally put the car into neutral.
Sweep it high. Boom. Perfect.
Right? So I'm going like 69, and I see the cop on the right side with the lights off. I'm like, oh, I'm cool.
Boom. We're in the 15-minute gap.
And he pulled me over. I gave him my license, insurance, gold card, all that. I said, sorry, officer, I know why you pulled me over. I was going a little too fast around that corner. And he's like, you know what, man? I'm a premium member. You're all good. Have a great day, PJ.
See if we respect this.
No. He did let me off, though. He did let me off. He did let me off, though. He was cool. He said, thank you for that trade setup yesterday. I made
fill the entire hourly and 15-minute gap right now.
Obviously, if you're respectful to the police, right? That's it. Give you a warning. He said, just slow it down. I said, sorry, officer. I got this thing ECU tuned in a downpipe on it. It's a little too fast.
I think we want to sweep one of these higher lows. There's a 1-minute gap that could go inverse here.
Totally engineered, huh?
Does a 5-minute look like?
Honestly,
Let's see.
you might not need much liquidity to the upside to send this thing lower. Watch out for a possible reversal right out this 15-minute gap.
Yeah, I
Just
think.
swept liquidity. They're doing the same thing here. ES just swept a bunch of relative equal highs.
Yep. Yes, it did right here. Wow, that shot right back up super clean. Look at the 1 minute. Oh, fucking ridiculous.
But man, did they engineer some lows, didn't they, huh?
What's the 5-minute looking like? Okay.
A lot of people
Alright, getting a 5-minute gap.
Alright, I'm doing one reset.
Are holding this shit really strong. What's the other liquidity levels on the 15? No, 15 minutes all the way up here, relative equal highs, but I don't think we're gonna reach that. 5-minute levels, 5-minute gap right there, McModel maybe. Nice 5-minute gap down there.
Again, chat, can you hear me?
Yes, we could hear you, motherfucker.
Hear me.
Their 15-minute went inverse first 15 minutes of that leg. So maybe this could go inverse, but we are too strong to the downside.
I'll never figure it out. Discord is buns.
See how this holds up. 1 minute. Okay, we're about to sweep.
None of you guys get flies, me won't.
Wow, super clean. Alright, so we tapped this, swept that, tapped the 4-hour again on ES. I see no confirmation.
Are we good or what?
No confirmation yet for downside movement.
Guys, make sure you also go to like your video.
What is that? First 5-minute closed.
Go to your video settings.
Wow, that rejection is ridiculous.
Messing your whole thing up, and go to voice too.
There's 30-second or something.
Tweak some of that stuff too.
Let's check the 30-second. 30-second is chop fest right now. Everything is honestly right now. 30 seconds giving us a lot of bottom wicks. I need to see strong closure downside. Because I do want to see us just deliver from this 15-minute. Leads to like the first presented 5-minute. I'm in right now. I'm in right now in this gap. Hoping it brings us. Not hoping. stopped. I stopped there at this high. I had it at this high. Cool. Never mind. Might go to London. Got in too early. It's cool. Still relative equal highs up here. Okay. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. That SMT is delivering us right now. Boom. Boom. Now midnight level with okay, let's see this. Really tiny 1 hour. It's a really tiny 1 hour here. We just retested the hourly inversion. Alright. We just tapped into this really small 1 hour BPR-ish, I guess you could say. Wow, that's honestly... Midnight level got tapped on ES. Any inversion here, I'm taking. Just took out a lot of right here. There was a lot of relative equal highs. Alright, ES is going for London, and we are going for midnight level tap or delivery from here. Yeah, we are in this other hourly gap right now. I know you guys see that. No way this is really about to deliver us. Maybe to London, but like... I don't want to see shorts. It's just, to me, it makes no sense. Let's see this out. Boom, boom. We tap this breaker. Hourly breaker right now, if you guys are to see it. Hourly breaker right here. Boom, boom. Tapping the breaker right now. And we tap the 4 hour. Yes, it's too close to London high, so we might just... What's the midpoint of this breaker? Midnight level is the midpoint of this breaker. Okay. I think this is a PDI. think this is a PDI.
Back up.
We just manipulated up.
Hello? I can hear you. What the heck? Yeah, I can hear you somehow. Alright, hold on. I'm logging in on my PC. Guys, he's logging on. Oh, you guys can hear me. Sit tight. Still got 15 minutes anyways. 15 minutes or so.
Alright, ES is taking out London. Don't really care.
Everybody calm down. Man, they nerfed us. Crazy.
Cap is 5 minute.
We had them crashing my PC like a couple weeks ago, and now they're kicking you out. I started talking about not cursing and stuff, and all of a sudden Discord's like, yo, like that.
Alright, midnight level is about to get tapped.
Yo, peek out your window, make sure there's not 6 black SUVs and a bunch of guys with suits outside the window. I'm like, yeah, seriously. They're gonna pick you off the streets.
I wanna come back down to this level, bro.
Guys, we pulled him over last time. We got him. Let him go. Let him go. Active investigation. Yeah, for real.
Let me find a 1 minute, 2 minute entry.
Well, Discord, we love Discord. Love that you never work the way you're supposed to work. What a fantastic platform. Gotta love it. Wait, are we all good right now?
I'm waiting for an inversion.
Everybody? Yo, I have an idea, guys. Maybe you need to start the stream, and then I jump in the mornings, right? And then maybe that's the fix. Maybe it's something coming from my server side. I don't know. I know occasionally this isn't cool. I run into issues. You have issues too? Not a lot, no. You gotta run me through your settings on Discord. Maybe there's something I have ticked that's messing it up. I don't know what it could possibly be. Like I tweaked all my voice and video. I tweaked my streamer mode. I tweaked advanced mode. Maybe there's something I'm missing though. I don't know. Nobody got home. It bounced. Dude, get out of here.
Okay, perfect. We respected this 15 minute. Tap the 4 hour. I don't think we're gonna continue. I'm trying to see this breaker right now. The breaker's in line with midnight level.
I mean, this is what we were waiting for if we're gonna look for shorts today. But this day could be pretty much the rotation or the pullback could have been yesterday, and now we might have a rally Thursday, Friday. So we also have that CPI news coming out tomorrow, chat, and that could be
5 minute continuations. That is the trade for today. 5 minute continuations is the movement. Because this hourly was way too fucking strong. So we delivered from SMT. London highs are gonna both be taken. Now if we fill the entire gap, that's who knows. I'm gonna wait for 10. Is that a fib? No. We still have the quad stack relative equal lows, bro. No way we're gonna miss London low like that. I mean London high. Just sweep it. Sweep London high. This 5 minute gap is extremely strong. Sweat this liquidity. Yeah, this is getting a bit weird. Hmm. I need to see a 5 minute pullback. I need to see a pullback. 10 o'clock needs to give me a wick down for me to really get into this strongly. Yeah, there we go. There we go. CE of the 4 hour was tapped. I want to see it go though. Just needs to shoot. Today's gonna be a nice setup. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. IMO. I'm ready to see a crazy sell off these next 10 minutes. Crazy sell off. We're gonna close down here again. Yes, fill the gap. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck is going on? Bro, I don't know what's going on. Because it going to that 4 hour BPR? I think it's already in it. It tapped it right now. Want to see rejections. I want to see his fucking drop from here now. Both have taken out London High. It's only had a 1 minute pullback. I should have gotten in here. I knew it too. AM high right here. I need to see a nice pullback, bro. Either we deliver from this, continue to respect the 4 hour, or we just fucking continue. No ATH. I don't think it's gonna go to ATH. We got a 5 minute right here at this midnight. 5. Got a 3. 3 right here. 3. Fuck, bro, this is a lot of points.
Yeah, Alpha Futures surprised me yesterday. Dropped 30% off. It was going to be 20% off, and then yesterday equity 30. It wasn't supposed to drop until this morning. It dropped it last night. Is it possible to stay in it before my salary card is end of this month?
Are we not pulling back? Projection block from here. First presented 15 minute, aligned with the 15 minute rejection block to the downside. After sweeping London low, London high. This could honestly potentially work. 3 minute breaker. Sweep. Nah, it's too strong. Sure. This should have just shredded, bro. Nothing on the 5 minute, bro. Nothing.
Hold on, Doc. I'm a couple points away from
here's the thing. I'm not taking these 1 minute pullbacks into IFVGs. I'm taking these 5 minute pulls. 5 minute pulls only, bro.
It's actually Saffron, delivery doctor. Oh no.
15 minute verse presented right here. Finally tapped into it. We had been tapped into this shit though. It's like now we gotta start seeing some shit, bro.
Why would you burst now?
Hopefully a 15 minute gap that we could tap into with 10 o'clock. I really just want to short this now.
Why would you burst now?
Shorting this. I'm really shorting this. Into this 5 minute at 136. This could be a really nice breaker setup. If we close, if we have a sissy there, that would be really fucking nice. Do we have a 3 minute? No, we don't. Another 5 minute? No, it's just this one at 136. 3 minute down there, 15 minute down there. It's just like after we sweep on the 1 minute, we sweep these lows right here. I am going break even. I am in a trade. Breaker setup was nice there. Anticipated it. No, 100% bullish.
I think we can run this thing like way up there.
I'm waiting for a 5 minute tap, bro, because we haven't tapped into any 5 minute. I'm not tapped into any 5 minutes. Boom, break even now. TP there, delivery was too slow for me. I wanted to see it go down with speed a little bit into the 5 minute. TP there is made 250. I'm only down 100 now, but if we inverse this 1 minute, it's continuation. Super clean. Yeah. 10 o'clock just opened though, so who knows? I want to 10 o'clock just opened. I want to see us continue from a 5 minute. If we continue, we continue from a 5 minute. We're not just gonna continue from this. There's a 15 minute. I'm in cells. I'm in cells right here. Where's the 15 is all the way down here. We might not tap that.
Big boy.
Mm.
There's a 5 minute right here too, though. There's a 5 minute forming at 138 down into 192.
We did tap a 5 minute already. 2 5 minutes already.
Off of that.
Alright, never mind. Out of that, break even right now. We did just tap into 2 5 minutes. Again, I want to see a continuation. I want to see this go inverse, or we either continue get deeper retracement. Mech models right now would probably hit, but it just doesn't make sense. 5 minute gaps. Let's look for an equilibrium level ish. That 15 minute. No, we're not going to. So we got a 5 minute and a 15 minute. Either ones could get tapped. I want to see better. So I got this 5 minute. Equilibrium is, wow, we are way too far from equilibrium. I do think we're going to tap into the 25% range ish, or the golden zone into this area right here. To the 15 minute ish. Because we are going down super slow, but I want to see this go inverse. I can't get in, bro. It's too many. This stop would be way too much. If anything, we respect this again. I'm going in shorts, bro. Mech model into that 15 minute. We still respected the 4 hour. We still respected this 4 hour PPR, bro. If we fail to resweep here again, we haven't tapped into the 5 minute deeply yet. EOS is tapping into it pretty deeply. Entire leg up. Equilibrium is at the midpoint of that 15. Don't think we're gonna touch there. Perfect. Now let's look for 5 minute got tapped. Yeah, bought up instantly because of this 1 minute gap too. I have 2 buy limits at the CE of this 5 minute because it is aligned super fucking cleanly with a 1 minute gap. If you go into the 1 minute, it's aligned cleanly with this gap. And it's aligned with this OB, so I'm just like, you know what? If it does tap that, then motherfucker, we are printing. We could just deliver from this. Yeah. I might play this for a couple points. Here, retested, broke. Retest London high. Tap the CE. Let's get a nice rejection from this. Oh my god, I didn't get filled. Oh my god, I didn't get filled again. Now I got filled. Wonderful. Not with this 5 minute CE hold, that's the thing. Really don't like this. Picking up a lot of speed to the down. Well, it's not picking up a lot of speed to the downside, but it's picking up. Now we're in a 3 minute gap. Out here. stopped.
Market makers are trying to be very tricky today. Looks like they're setting up long so they can just pull the rug once again.
I come on went to that 15-minute was the one. That 15 minutes gonna get tapped now. Easily. This is a golden zone somewhere around here. This 1 minute. We inverse this right here. I'm taking it. I'm taking that, bro. I'm taking this to this high. I'm taking that, bro. Ain't no fucking way I'm not. Fuck this stop, bro. This is really about to deliver super fucking strong. Now I'm in longs. Now I'm in. This is the most confident long I've been in all day. Got filled up here. TP here. SL here. Riding this all the way to the top. Took it. Didn't care. 5-minute continuation. I need to see more. More. Let's get miss it. 5-minute continuation. What's the 5-minute looking like here? What's the 5-minute looking like here? Massive decoupled. We are extremely decoupled. SMT, 5-minute SMT continuation plus a 1-minute inversion. Come on. What more do I want to see? What more do I want to see? What more do I want to see? Is there like a 2-minute gap up here?
I like the idea.
No.
Looks pretty solid, but that feel inside of me right now is giving me that feeling, and I'm not too sure about it. Something I can't really teach you guys. Just you need a lot of hours. My spidey senses are going off for now.
I don't like that.
Yeah, I'm not catching a good read here, so I'm gonna fade for a little bit.
Fuck it, I'm holding it with conviction. Who cares? Holding this shit with conviction. Fuck yeah, I moved it. 151. Moved it to 151. Come on, tap 151. Needs to break this level.
Yeah, I'm just not getting a clear
loss got hit. Insane. Insane. Stop loss got hit on everything. Daily loss limit got hit. Dunzos. Dunzos for the day.
Yup. Oh man, it feels so good when you sniff something out. I enjoy it more than kicking a tree.
That is
So it's fun to
insane.
go inverse into the 15.
Wow. Ridiculous, ridiculous, ridiculous. Wow, I saw the SMT, so I was pretty confident on that. But
That is a tempting one because you print the 30-second inverse there.
no, you printed a 1 minute inverse.
Then taps the 15 minute. You're like, well, we got SMT on the meteorite. But then something's off with the way that this is displacing. Something's off.
Mm,
Can't figure it out yet, but we're working through it together. Got a little 3-minute inverse to the downside too. Might be another reason why we got
equilibrium got hit. 15-minute gap is magnet right now. That 15-minute gap is a magnet. Yeah, we gotta tap that 15-minute. It was a great fade from the sniper. PJ Page. So like, overanalyzed.
Alright, well here's the 15-minute gap on NQ finally tapping midnight opening price now here too as well. This is a tough spot both ways.
That's a
Still
fact.
need a little bit longer off this level here to get some actual momentum. But if not, this thing can start trickling and finally moving towards its own lows for the marked out. I'm gonna put it between like 50 and like 70. But just like an area to tag into for me to continue long. Or to see if it absolutely breaks down from there, but it looks like it kind of smooths down. Look like orders like 57 and 73. I think that's a nice just
Mm,
65-ish.
how big is this 15-minute gap? We tap midnight level. We break past midnight level on any time frame right now. We're gonna continue lower. So it's just PDI. Hold the fuck on. This 15-minute goes inverse. We just tap both 15 minutes plus midnight. it's stacked. I'm in. I'm selling up here. So limit 2 up there. I'm in. I'm ready to see this go with volume. Beautiful. I'm in. On a long. Right, entered right here. Anticipating the sweep of these stacked highs right there. Break even. I might just trail it. We might just go from here. I might just trail my stop. TP's up here now. Nice 1 minute. Oh my god. My shit broke. I made 500 on that. My TP hit. Oh, it almost hit. No. What the fuck just happened? What is happening, bro? What the fuck is happening? Yo, this market is so shit. Tap the 15 minutes and midnight level. What the fuck is going on, bro? I'm just going to combine now. Combine down bad right now.
Well, that's how they shake everyone out of the market before ripping it higher here, chat. That was literally the area I was looking to possibly slam the long at. I was about 2 seconds away from saying I'm entering here, and then it just froze. Like, what? That's crazy. See what happens there now. It's a little bit of a wonky, very wonky environment here. Yeah, that freeze was bizarre. Kind of be upset about it, but at the same time, PA is freaking crazy. I haven't seen that in a while. Just freezing the book. What the hell is that?
Yeah, fly. Fly.
70s, 80s. That's so
Let it fly. Let it fly like the birds in the sky. Hotter than the weather in July. I done did so much I can't decide. Word to my guys. She just gets so wet, I slip and slide. Had to give him back and give him 5. It's alive, it's alive, it's alive. Alright, alright.
I was literally about to click the button, and
Go on, bruv. Going to the upside. Don't fucking stop.
he's gonna click it, freeze it, freeze it. It's like the Truman Show.
Now I want to see Speedy. TP all the way at the high. All the way at the high. Hopefully.
Lining it up right here. Just gonna do something like this. 26 points.
Hopefully it is clean for us.
Run it from here. Honestly, pretty clean setup. As soon as we were about to slam the retest, it glitched and went up like 31 points in a second. No opportunity.
Yes. Yes. lost Eva. Guys, I think I'm done for the day. Another 590 on the TPTs. Could care less. Gotta be more cautious with how I trade on my other accounts though, which is bad. But let's see how it goes. I took horrible trades today. Really stupid and impatient trades. Took a lot of impatient trades. I should have waited for the 15 to get tapped. And anticipated this with the midnight level. Anticipated the 15 with the midnight level. Retest, and then from there, you know. I do see this just coming down though. Like, yeah, we're gonna respect this. First present at 10 a.m.
Wow. There's a slight SMT with the delivery right now.
I'm gonna respect that.
You get a V-shaped recovery for a smooth exit.
But yeah, that's how it goes. 2 back-to-back bad days. I think I'm gonna start de-risking. Wasn't the best days, but we'll keep pushing.